Good morning students, this is Rahul sir and you are most welcome in my classes. In previous class we have studied few things regarding functions. Okay, now we are going to move forward to the next exercise 3.3 around. Okay, now in this exercise we are going to apply so many formulas, so many concepts here. Okay, so I have written all the formulas here and you can take the screenshot of these and we will understand all these formulas and we will solve the exercise. So first of all you take the screenshot of this. Okay. Now let's start understanding this all these formulas. There are so many formulas as we have already seen here. So here first formula is sine minus x is equal to minus sin x. Okay, sine minus x is equal to minus sin x. What does it mean? This means that if minus x means if you rotate in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, when you rotate in anti-clockwise direction like this, then this is angle minus x. So at that condition sine minus x is equal to minus sin x, and we also know that at fourth quadrant sine of the sine is minus. So that's why sine minus x is equal to minus sin x. Similarly, cos minus x is equal to plus cos x, because in fourth quadrant cos is positive. Hence, this cos x is cos minus x is equal to cos x. Okay. Now there are few formulas again. Cos x plus y. Here we have the formula cos x plus y, that is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay, that means when there is plus sign for cos, then here in the formula there will be negative sign. Okay, and when there is cos x minus y, then cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Okay, cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Now let's come to the next formula, cos pi by 2 minus x. Whenever you use pi by 2, then cos changes to sine and sine changes to cos. This happens for each and every function of sine, cos, tan and cot, sec and cosec also. Okay, that means sine changes to cos and cos changes to sine. Tan changes to cot, cot changes to tan. Sec changes to cosec and cosec changes to sec. This happens with each and every function of this. Okay. So cos pi by 2 minus x equal to sin x, sin pi by 2 minus x equal to cos x. Now sin x plus y. Sin x plus y. For sin x plus y, listen, in this case cos x plus y, cos x and cos y are together and sin x and sin y are together. For sine formulas, for both the sine formulas, sin x cos x and cos x sin x will be there. For plus sign here, x plus y, here we have also plus, here minus sign we also have minus. Okay, so sin x minus y equal to sin x cos y minus cos x sin. Let's come to the next formulas, cos pi by 2 plus x. When we talk about cos pi by 2 plus x, pi by 2 means this angle. Okay, so this is pi by 2, and when pi by 2 plus x means some extra angle, and this comes to second quadrant. For second quadrant cos is negative, so this cos changes to sin, and because of negative this is we get negative. Similarly sin pi by 2 plus x we get cos x. Cos pi minus x, for pi minus x, again pi, this is pi line. Okay, this is pi by 2, this is pi line, so pi minus x, that means we are reducing some angle. Let us say this is x, so this is coming in second quadrant, and again in second quadrant the sign is negative. But please understand here, whenever there is pi by 2, the cos changes to sine and sine changes to cos. But for pi and 2 pi, pi and 2 pi there is no change. That means cos pi minus x will be minus and cos will remain cos. For sine will remain sine. So sine pi minus x equal to sine x. Cos pi plus x equal to minus cos x, and so on. Now let's come to the next formulas. Tan x plus y. Here we have tan x plus y, tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x tan y. For another, tan x minus y, tan x minus tan y upon 1 plus tan x tan y. Cot x plus y is equal to cot x cot y minus cot y plus cot x. Cot x minus y equal to cot x cot y plus 1 upon cot y minus cot x. Cos 2x cos square x minus sin square x. Look at here please. For cos 2x we are having 4 different formulas and all the formulas are equivalent. These all can be used in different types of question. Whenever we get the condition respectively, we use these formulas. Okay, so cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Also cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1 minus 2 sin square x, and also 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. Now let's come to the next formula, sin 2x. For sin 2x, the first formula is 2 sin x cos x. First one is 2 sin x cos x, and another is 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x. For tan 2x, we have formula 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Please check the formula here. Here the sign is plus and here the sign is minus. So for tan 2x, 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. For sin 3x, 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x, and cos 3x equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Now let's come to the 19, which is formula number. Tan 3x equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. Now this, please pay attention here. In this case, in the formula number 3, x and y are the angles, and these two angles are added and the cos of this is taken. But here separately cos x plus cos y. These two formulas are completely different. Okay, cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. For negative sign, cos x minus cos y, that is minus 2 sin x plus y upon 2 and sin x minus y upon 2. Similarly, sin x plus sin y equal to 2 sin x plus y upon 2 cos x minus y upon 2. Sin x equal to sin x minus sin y equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. And this division 2 is only with x plus y upon 2, not the whole amount. Okay. Now let's come to the next formula. 2 cos x sin cos y is equal to cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. Minus 2 sin x sin y equal to cos x plus y minus cos x minus y. 2 sin x cos y equal to sin x plus y plus sin x minus y, and 2 cos x sin y equal to sin x plus y minus sin x minus y. So these are the basic formulas which will be used in this exercise, and not only in this exercise, whenever this trigonometric functions comes in the in your problem, you will be using these formulas. Okay, so you must learn these formulas. You must learn these formulas, and you must have the screenshot of this whole board. Okay, because whenever you need to revise these formulas, you can use this photo and you can revise those. Okay, so you must have the screenshot of this. Okay, now let's come to the exercise. In first question, what is given here? We are given some equation and we have to find the value. We have to prove that sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 equal to minus 1 upon 2. Okay, so for this question, this is very simple question and you don't need to be very much intention for solving this. Just you have to put the values of these sin pi by 6, cos pi by 3 and tan pi by 4 and you will be able to solve this type of questions. We already know that pi is equal to 180 degree. Okay, pi is equal to 180 degree. So pi by 6 will be 30 degree, isn't it? Okay, so pi by 6 will be equal to 30 degree. That means sin pi by 6 is equal to sin 30 degree. Okay, so we have to put the value of sin 30 degree. So what is the value of sin 30? Sin 30 value is half. So square plus cos pi by 3. Again cos pi by 3. What is the value of cos pi by 3? Cos pi by 3 value is 1 by 2. Again 1 by 2 and square minus tan pi by 4. So what is the value of tan pi by 4? Pi by 4 means 45 degree. So tan 45 degree value is 1. So 1 square, that is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So it will become 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Either you can here you can write like this. LHS is equal to, and when you take the LCM of this, you will get 1 plus 1 minus 4, that is minus 2 upon 4, that is minus 1 upon 2, that is RHS. Okay, so this is how you solve these questions, and from starting question 1 to 4, all 4 questions are similar to this one. Now let's come to the question number 5. Okay, now let's come to the question number 5. Here we have to find out the value of sin 75 degree. Sin 75 degree. What is the value of sin 75 degree? What is the value of sin 75 degree? Okay, so we don't know the value of sin 75. Okay, so we can find out the value of sin 75 by, I think so we can get many ways. Okay, but the easier 2 ways are there, 2 easy ways. That is, first, the most easy one is, first of all you must understand that this 75 can be written is equal to 30 plus 45. Okay, 75 is equal to 30 plus 45. Again 75 can also be written like 90 minus 50, and 75 can also be written as 60 plus 15. Okay, and all these 3 methods can be used to find out the value of sin 75, but I will explain these 2 methods. For now you will not be able to find out the values. Okay, for now we will use this method. 75 is equal to 30 plus 45. That means sin, we put in place of 75 we put 30 plus 45, and this will become sin x plus y. What does it become? Sin x plus y. That means what is the formula for sin x plus y? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. This is the main formula. So assume this is x and this is y. So likewise we can expand this. So it will become like sin 30 cos 45 plus cos 30 sin 45. Okay. So what is the value of 30 degree? Sin 30? 1 by 2. What is the value of cos 45? 1 upon root 2 plus what is the value of cos 30? Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2 and again sin 45 1 upon. So look at here, this is 2 root 2 and again this is 2 root 2, so we can take the square LCM, that is 2 root 2 and it will become 1 plus root 3. So the value of sin 75 is equal to 1 plus root 3 upon 2. Okay, this is the main value of sin 75. Okay, so this is it. Now again we have to find out the tan 15. Value of tan 15. So tan 15 can be written like 45 minus 30, isn't it? 45 minus 30, we can find the value of 15. So we will put in place of 15, 45 minus 30 and from there we can solve the question. For question number 6. Cos pi by 4 minus x cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x sin pi by 4 minus y. Please pay attention here. Cos x plus y. Cos x plus y. So we know that the formula for x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay. And let's write the formula, write the question which is given here. That is cos pi by 4 minus x cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x sin pi by 4 minus y. We have to prove sin x plus 1. Okay, listen. Look at here. If we assume that pi by 4 minus x is equal to x and this is equal to y, then compare this whole thing with this. What we find that this is just similar to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay, so we can directly write LHS is equal to, we can directly write this equal to cos x plus y in the form of, so cos, here this is x na, so pi by 4 minus x plus pi by 4 minus y. Okay, so now cos pi by 4 minus x plus pi by 4 minus y, and this will become cos pi by 2 minus x plus y, because this is minus x minus y, we will take minus common and what we get, x plus y. Now what do we find that, again what do we find, cos pi by 2 minus x, this if you assume this is x, so what do we find, we find cos pi by 2 minus x, so this will be equal to sin x plus y, and this is RHS. Okay, so this is how we solve these questions. Likewise, we will be able to solve question number up to question number 9. Okay, take the screenshot. Thank you.